have we got going on today?
We're jumping skydiving.
All right, Gerard, are you ready? Ready!
We find a lot of customers are just amazed at the experience. They think that it's going to be a roller coaster ride, and it's really just an overload of emotions. That adrenaline dump as you go out the door and the wind hits you for the first time and you get into free fall. It's just so exciting. It has certainly been a life-changing experience for me. I see the world differently. The world actually slows down after you become a skydiver. You realize that you can do anything. You just came out of a plane and you survived, and it was a great experience. And all the little tiny petty things just kind of fall by the wayside. Skydiving is very safe. So we have 2 parachutes. There's redundancies built in, and we learn from all the drop zones in the United States and even abroad. All sorts of really important things that make our lives safer in the sky than they are driving the car to come out to see us. I've owned Triangle Skydiving Center for about 5 years now. We have customers come out from all over the world to come jump at our drop zone. First thing we do is we check them in. And we give them a brief description of what the jump's going to be like while we harness them up and get them ready.
For the briefing, you're going to get basically the fire hose technique. We're going to tell you everything you need to know for the jump.
And that's it. Cool. You guys ready?
Yep.
And then it's off to the plane to go enjoy the ride to altitude. Once we're at altitude, we're going to go out of the plane. So free fall is 60 seconds and we jump from 13,500 feet. And then you're going to have a beautiful canopy flight where you get to see North Carolina in a way that nobody else sees it.
All right, Madeline, so have a look at the camera and tell your friends, what do you think?
This was amazing. Yes. Oh, it's great up here.
That's all you got?
I'm speechless a little bit.
Well, that's good. All right, well, tell them we'll see you guys on the ground.
Yeah, see you on the ground. It was awesome.
Yeah? Did you have fun?
I did.
What
yes.
was your favorite part?
Maybe landing.
Landing? Yeah, when it was all over.
Yeah.
You did great. You were all
Hanging out with
smiles up
John.
there.
Yes, it was a
awesome.
good time.
Good
yes.
job, John. Way to go.
Killing it,
John.
man.
Be
Thank you,
safe.
thank
That was
you.
Good job,
great.
girl.
Joe, thank you for jumping with us.
Thank you.
Woohoo!
Triangle Skydiving Center is at 480 Airport Road, Suite 200 in Lewisburg. To book your skydiving adventure, give them a call at 919-497-5867 or check them out online at triangleskydiving.com.